Hey guys, welcome back to Distance Learning. Today we're going to read Electricity and Magnetism. This is for week 9. Feel free to refer back to this text anytime you would like help with reading the text Electricity and Magnetism for week 9. Let's begin. Introduction. Have you ever watched lightning during a big storm at night? Did you know that a lightning bolt is a natural form of electricity? But most electricity is made by people. When you turn on a light, you are using electricity made by people. Electricity has become a very important part of our lives. It's hard to imagine the world without it. Magnetism is also a familiar part of our world. Perhaps you have played with magnets. Magnetism is closely related to electricity. This book will teach you about electricity and magnetism. It will also explain how they are connected. 1. What is electricity? You just learned that electricity can be produced naturally. It can also be made by people. But what is electricity? It is a form of energy. Energy is what makes things happen. For example, the energy in sunlight makes plants grow. Producing electricity. Now you know how electricity can be used to make a magnet. But did you know that magnets can also be used to make electricity? Scientists learned how to do this in the 1800s. They discovered that if a coil of wire is moved through a magnetic field, an electric current flows through the wire. The same thing happens in reverse when a magnet is moved through a coil of wire. Scientists used that discovery to build machines called electrical generators. Cities, once mostly dark at night, became bright with electric lightning. Let's read that one more time. Cities, once mostly dark at night, became bright with electric lightning. Today, generators with large, powerful magnets are used to produce electricity. This important form of energy is used to provide light and power for homes and offices. Electricity and magnetism in today's world. For thousands of years, people had no electricity. Work was done with the muscle power of humans and other animals. Candles and oil lamps provided light. Magnetism was something in unusual rocks called lodestones. Lightning was a mystery. No one understood electricity or magnetism, and they had no idea that the two things are related. But today, electricity and magnetism are well understood and widely used. Magnets are used in computer hard drives, stereo speakers, credit cards, and many other devices. And as you just learned, large magnets are used at power plants to generate electricity. Electricity powers most of the things we use in our everyday lives. More than ever, we depend on electrical energy. All cars use magnets and electricity. Some electricity instead of gas. Some use electricity instead of gas. Sorry about that. Okay, guys, so that is electricity and magnetism. Please feel free to refer back to this text anytime you need to reference it for week 9, the final week of distance learning. Thank you for viewing the video. Take care.